Hello learners, welcome to Sure Question Academy. Please watch the videos, like and subscribe to the channel.
Hello. Let's solve this interesting physics question based on ray diagrams. The path of a light ray passing through a concave lens parallel to its principal axis drawn by a child is given below. Take a close look at this drawing. Question A. What is the mistake in the ray diagram? Question B. Redraw the correct diagram. Let's check the answer. The mistake is that a concave lens is a diverging lens. According to the rules of refraction, a ray traveling parallel to the principal axis should diverge outwards. But here, it is incorrectly shown as converging. Now, let's redraw the correct diagram. As you can see, the refracted ray diverges. When we extend it backwards, it appears to originate from the principal focus, F1. Excellent. Thank you, and happy learning.